How to run campaign on Bot Master software. Import your file. Choose TXT file. Write a message here. Don't forget to add random tag. Import a video, photo, file, PDF. Set your video caption here. Insert a random tag. Do some general setting before start your campaign. Click on Send button. Click on Blind Mode. Campaign running start. By the software, you can send thousands of bulk messages. Now the time is to showing you the campaign results. Here are the results. If you want to buy this software, then contact us now.